Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make Facebook/Instagram ads. So digital marketing has been a big part of 2020 and 2021 just because people have been staying home on their phones, on Facebook and on Instagram this past year due to the pandemic. So now with Facebook and Instagram advertisement, 80% of internet users use Facebook, 93% of marketers use Facebook, and 1.9 billion total reach potential. So people that you could reach could be 1 billion. The average CPC for Facebook is about 80 cents and CPM is $5. So it comes from business manager, ads managers, ad accounts, ad campaigns, and ad setup and ads. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how to make an ad. All right, so ads could be basically anything for any company. So for today I'm going to be showing you how to make for a company that's, you could say, for Mykeysupply. So Mykeysupply is a company that sells keys. Basically they go from tools and accessories, keychains, batteries. They have hot sales, right? They have mechanical keys, key shells, basically everything you need for your car, for your van, any sort of vehicle, and for mechanics that are looking to duplicate keys and all that. This could be a very good, Facebook and Instagram could be very good for this client. So what I could do here is show you what potential ads could be. This could be simple. This could be run as a Facebook and Instagram ad, mostly Facebook because Facebook doesn't allow allow you to have more than 25% of their words. All right, so this would be perfect. This is a multi manipulation image that you could use through with Photoshop. So this is one image, a few words right here, another image of clouds. You see fog here that you use plugins as on Photoshop, another image, and you could tell here this is another image as well, this person and this dog. I just added this just because I don't know, I felt like it was missing something, and the Jeep logo. It gets straight to the point. You have a Jeep here, Jeep logo, and Jeep keys, and what you're basically advertising. This reaches an audience for people that own Jeep or people that want to own Jeep, because when you think of Jeep, you think of adventure, you think of going out. Even if you live in the city, you think of a Jeep, you think of nature, going outside, going on these trails. So this is a perfect example of a nice Jeep ad. Another perfect example is this. It gets straight to the point. This would be mostly an Instagram ad because it has a little bit more text. You could still use this as a Facebook ad. Get straight to the point. The keys about this certain car. This is a multi-image as well. It has image in the background, has this image, has image of a phone, and then an image of a hand, and then a screenshot of different stuff of the website, and you just drag and grab on Photoshop. So today this is what I'm going to be showing you. Alright, so for today I'm not going to go and do these manipulation photos because it takes too much time. Sometimes you'd rather run an ad. Let's say if it's a simple ad that the client will give you this amount of money or this amount of time, you want to go fast and easy. These are more to reach a bigger audience, and you basically put more money and you put more of your time and get bigger reach of audience. So for today, make a nice simple one. So if you want to do a 1080 to 1080 for Instagram, and you got to know that 1920 by 1080 is mostly for Facebook. So do this one for Facebook. All right. So So just want to zoom out right here. All right, you could try to grab a image from any of these websites like Adobe Stock, these stock images that you're allowed to use, but you should totally like get a membership, or these other ones I use Deposit Photos, and you could use it for ads through, like, you know, there's copyrights, and there's ones that you can use. So we're gonna try to fit this aesthetic that you see here. You know, let's say bunch of lights, there's cars in the background, so you know, we're talking about cars, we're talking about, you know, we're trying to reach audience that are people that have cars or people that are into cars. And you get basically these images. Remember, these images have to get it either from the clients, or it's just that's a whole different story. So this looks like it could fit right here. You know, you're trying to make this pop. It's blue, there's blue here, and there's also red. So you use this one, and you also use this one. Convert into copy, make it as a smart object. All right, and what you would do here is add a filter and add a blur filter. All right, we use try to use around 2.1, and how that would look, you know, won't change so much, but it blurs it out a little bit. All right, so then when you put this, you would use a blur filter as well, but I like to use I like to use an average blur. Convert to smart object. There it is. All right, average blur. All right, gets to the point. What you could also add is the website. So because this is a Facebook ad, that's going to be probably organic, or let me try to make this a bit clearer. Try to make this a bit smaller. All right, we visit our website, www. Be right here or right in the bottom. All right, so now I added a Ford logo, fixed the adjustment of the keys, put the logo of the brand or the company that you're representing, which is here Mykeysupply, which I'm representing, and fix the blur a little bit more. This is just you gotta play with it. You gotta play with the text, play with the objects, just see what works, what doesn't work. Have the keys pop, have a shadow of the keys, have inner shadow, inner glow, outer glow, just to make it pop. Sometimes the product that some clients give you aren't the best, and you gotta work with what you have. Yeah, so this is basically what this is, and hope you guys enjoy. And let me just turn this back on. Yep, just makes everything else pop more. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one.